Hi folks, this is Vic back again with another fragrance review. Today I'm going to review the wonderful ChanelPourMonsieur EDP Eau De Parfum version released in 2016 by the House of Chanel. The perfumer was the master perfumer Jacques Polge, and this fragrance is a woody Chypré fragrance. Let's break down the notes. Top notes are citrus, mid notes are nutmeg and lavender, base notes are woody notes, vanilla, vetiver, and sandalwood. But I'm sure there are more ingredients than those mentioned above. And what else I can tell you about this fragrance? It was released by the House of Chanel to replace the Eau De Toilette concentré, which was released prior to this in 1989, because the House of Chanel was kind of forced to stop the production of the concentré Eau De Toilette due to new regulations imposed by IFRA, and Jacques Polge decided to save the Eau De Toilette concentré by modifying the fragrance, and then he launched the Eau De Parfum version, which is one of his last work at the House of Chanel, and he really done a great job. The main accords are fresh, spicy, aromatic accords, Chypré accords, citrusy, vanilla, and woody accords. What I can tell you about this scent, this is a true gentleman scent. And if you are accustomed with PourMonsieur Eau De Toilette version, you are really going to appreciate the Eau De Parfum version, because the Eau De Parfum version is more potent than the Eau De Toilette version, has more vanilla notes, woody notes, and also it's more sweet, but it's not a very cheap sweet. It's a very smooth vanilla, and the vetiver is majestic. It's one of the best vetiver I ever smelled in the perfume industry. Jacques Polge, he really done a great job over the EDP version, and well, what I can tell you, I am more fan of the EDP version than the Eau De Toilette concentré, because the Eau De Toilette concentré was okay, but I never been a big fan of Eau De Toilette concentré. I prefer a lot PourMonsieur Eau De Parfum. So this scent is still in production. It's for me, it's one of the best release of Jacques Polge before leaving the House of Chanel, and he done a great job. This is a Chypré, woody, spicy, also citrusy fragrance, and it's a true gentleman fragrance, and I really suggest you to have it in your wardrobe, because this scent is just fabulous. And you know, Jacques Polge done a great job, and nobody can deny that. What else I can tell you about this scent? This scent is only available in 75 ml and not 100 ml. The price is around $95 to $120, and it's really worth. To me, it's almost a niche quality fragrance for a designer price. So what else I can tell you? It's a classic. If you are a fan of the classic fragrances, go for it, give it a try. This one might really suit you. Cheerio, and have a great weekend. Bye.